How's it going, people? Welcome back to the food vlog. So today I'm making roast chicken in under 40 minutes in my new CalmDo Air Fryer Oven. Now this is a very simple recipe to follow, and here are the ingredients. I have here 3 medium-sized carrots chopped, 1 large potato chopped, and we have a 1 kg baby chicken. So first of all, add the carrots to the potatoes, drizzle some oil over, roughly 1 to 2 tablespoons. Thereafter, chuck in some pepper, and you can put as little or as much as you like, followed by some garlic granules, and again 1 teaspoon is enough, but if you like your garlic, there's no harm putting more. Add some salt, and salt I definitely be careful with, so around 1 teaspoon of salt, and give that a good old mix. So now it's time to season the baby chicken. Start with around 2 tablespoons of oil. I prefer olive oil, but I've since run out, so I'm using sunflower oil instead. Next up, drizzle a teaspoon of lemon juice. Fresh is obviously better, but use what you have at the end of the day. Season with lots of pepper, a teaspoon of salt, and some garlic granules. And on the chicken, I'm also going to add a tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste. Next up, grab your baking tray and just line the top with some foil. Now to roast chicken, you need to slide that baking tray into the bottom shelf, which is the 4th shelf. Now to cook the chicken, simply press the roast button. Now check out the timers on the left. Cooking temperature should say 200 degrees and 30 minutes timer. Now if you like your chicken juicy and falling off the bone, change that to 40 minutes. Otherwise 30 minutes is absolutely fine. Now simply hit the start button and wait for the magic to take place. That looks amazing, and I can't believe that took only 30 minutes. Alright, so carving time. I like to start with the legs and then the wings and then finish off with the breasts. And as you can see, that knife is literally sliding through the chicken with minimal effort. Amazing. roast chicken dinner for two in under 40 minutes. So my favorite part, the tasting. So let's begin with some carrots. Look at that. Beautiful glaze, nicely cooked. Wow. You can taste the sweetness of those carrots. All right, potato. Wow, they're cooked really nicely. Look at that. Really nice. Let's taste it. Wow. You can really taste that garlic flavor in the potatoes and carrots. So let's try some chicken. So a bit of breast first of all. All right, check it out. Small piece. That is lush. And that was all tasted without gravy. So that was delicious roast chicken in around 40 minutes, and I absolutely loved the way it cooked in the CalmDo Air Fryer Oven. It's like roasting and steaming at the same time, so your chicken just will not dry out. Absolutely delicious results. Definitely try it out and let me know what you guys think. So stay tuned, lots more to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.